remove the license plate bracket, no matter how you have it fastened. This one has 2 self-tapping screws with a 10mm socket. So if you see, the grill has the teeth that stick down, so you're going to pop this out this way, and you have release tabs right across the top, 4 of them. Get a body tool, try to locate those tabs. So push down and pull at the same time. To install, I'm just going to clean some of this debris off. We're going to insert the downward position, center it, and then push in. And now I'm going to reinstall my license plate bracket. Line those holes up. Just start those by hand.